Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad to have you here. Well, today I'll be showing you guys how to make plantain pancake. So guys, do you have plantains that look like this? Or do you have overripe plantains? You do not need to discard them. You can make something delicious out of it. So of course, our first ingredient would be overripe plantains. We'll also use a cup of milk, 2 eggs, some baking powder, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So first off, we are going to start off by removing the peel of our plantains. I'm going to be using about 4 overripe plantains for this recipe. So guys, if you want to know the exact measurement I use for this recipe, just go ahead and check the description box. So proceed to remove the back of all our plantains. And when this is done, I'll go ahead to chop up all of my plantains to make it a lot easier for my blender to blend. I'll actually use a very small blender to blend this plantain, so cutting is necessary. So after cutting them, go ahead to blend. Just put it into your blender. Well, for me, I prefer to actually blend some parts and then leave some parts aside for mashing later. So to my blender, I added 2 whole eggs and a pinch of salt, and I went ahead to blend. After I'm done blending, I went ahead to mash up the plantains I'm going to set aside. So guys, if you do not have a blender, you don't have to worry. Just mash up your plantains and use them like that. You wouldn't even tell the difference. It still will taste very delicious. So if you actually prefer blending everything together, that also works. Just do what works for you. So I added a teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture. Of course, after putting in my mashed plantains, and I turned and stirred it very well. So after stirring these up for a while, I added my all-purpose flour into this bowl, and I went ahead to mix and whisk this properly. So at this stage, lovelies, you can add your sugar, but sugar is optional. I feel the plantains are sweet enough to give you what you're looking for. Just do what works for you. So I added a little milk to this to lighten it up. I do not like a thick consistency, so it actually depends on your preference. Well, after that, just go ahead to fry your pancakes on low heat, flipping it over when the other side is well fried. And that's it, guys. If you watch this video to this point, that means you actually like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. So guys, our plantain pancake is ready. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.